Welcome to Art 1B, and in this class we're going to be focusing on the use of Inkscape. So the first thing that you need to do is load Inkscape on your computer. Now, if you have a Windows computer, this should be a relatively straightforward process. If you have a Mac computer, it could be slightly more difficult, but not impossible. I'm using it currently on a Mac myself. The first thing you need to do is go to the Inkscape site. So we're just going to type in Inkscape download. Click on that first one there and it should give us our Inkscape screen. Okay, and here it shows you that there are several different versions of Inkscape. So we're going to go to where it says download, and then you're going to pick your operating system. This will work on Linux if you have that. I have had a student who had that. But here are Windows and then Mac OS. All right, if you click on Windows, you'll see this screen. Now it asks for 32-bit and 64-bit. You can go into your computer and find out which one you need, but most of the computers I've seen are 64-bit if they're newer. So select the one that's right for your computer, and then you're going to click on the installer, and you can also click on this green arrow and it will download the program for you. Be patient, it takes a while for this to occur, okay? You may have to restart your computer in order to see it there. If you have a Mac computer, you have to go through an additional step. And they kind of give you the instructions here. In order to run Inkscape on a Mac, you need to download a program called Xquartz first. It just allows that same program to work in your Mac operating system. So you're going to go to where it says Xquartz right here, and this is a clickable file. You'll click on Xquartz, and here you can download Xquartz. Do this first before you download Inkscape. You're going to have to allow it because your security may stop it. So if you need to allow your security settings, if I can get mine to come up here so that you can see it. You may have to go through this when you try to download it. Go to Security and Privacy. Computer's having a slow time today. And you're going to go to General. Now, if it's blocked it down here, it's going to say that it blocked Xquartz. And then you're going to need to click the lock to make the changes and put in your passcode so that you can allow those changes. Be sure to close it after you've downloaded downloaded Xquartz. You'll need to do this for Inkscape as well. All right, and it depends on your computer and what your safety settings are. So once you get the Xquartz, then you're going to go back to that Inkscape page, and you are going to click on the Inkscape download, or if it doesn't work there, I've had some people say it doesn't work from there, you can click this one where it says DMG file, okay? And then you're going to load that into your computer, and then it gives you some ways to do your preferences. Now, when you load this the first time, depending on what version of the operating system you have, you're going to open your Xquartz first. Now, Xquartz, you can see down here at the bottom, this is what the little icon looks like. It's this X with the circle around it. It doesn't really look like it does anything. You'll see Xquartz across the top where it says applications. It may even throw up a little screen that has some kind of, computer gobbledygook on it. That's okay. That means it's working. It's not meant to be a program that you see. Now you can make some changes like it says here with preferences. So you click on Xquartz, click preferences, and that's where you can make the changes that are shown here. Okay? So you'll probably need to go through that. Once you've got Xquartz open, then you can open Inkscape. Some versions will open it automatically, but if it doesn't open automatically, just go ahead, go into your Launchpad, find Inkscape and click on that, and then it'll allow you to open it. Please contact me if you have trouble with this and we can walk through it together. We have encountered some people who had a little more difficulty than others. Also, be aware that Inkscape takes a significant amount of time to come up the first time, and it looks like it's not going to work. Sometimes as long as like 5 minutes and then it'll pop up. So if it doesn't work right away, don't worry. If Xquartz is working, Inkscape should work. Good luck, and I hope that you are successful in getting Inkscape installed. In the next video, we will look at how to use Inkscape and how to maneuver around the various tools. See you next time. Bye.